In this video, we are going to learn how to split a part. So here we can see we have one single body. Now we have created one curve over the part. We'll search the command by pressing shortcut S and search for split command. We have this command, we'll click on this. Here we'll select the curve and click cut part. So here the part is cutted. So which we are selecting here, that body will be removed and the other side body will be remain on the screen. Here we have to take consume cut bodies. If you want to consume the part, do OK. So you can see that part is remain. Now we'll edit this. If you don't want to remove the bodies, you untick consume bodies, take both the bodies and do OK. So here we have both the splitted bodies. We can see here we have two bodies. Now let's change appearance of one part. We can select one part from here. Which part we want to change appearance? We'll click on edit appearance. And here we can define different appearance to the part. Let's take a different color and do OK. So this is how we have done the split command. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.